What's up, fam? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live. I want to direct your attention to the Copy Pro Traders Kraken instructions. I noticed that when I was setting up my account, I was looking at some videos on how to set this thing up, and they've updated this portion. Okay, they've updated this portion since some of those older videos. So I just wanted to make sure I highlight this to everyone out there that's using Copy Pro Traders, because sometimes I know when I first set mines up, the first key that I put in there, it wasn't working. I think I had to put it in there maybe 2 or 3 times. And that was on my fault. It was my fault. I wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. So please pay attention to what you're doing. Please make sure that you're selecting the proper things that it needs for you to select. And I'm going to show you that in this video. Click on this. It's going to bring you to a PDF file of the instructions. And I want to point your attention to this portion right here. In a couple of videos, these were off, okay? And I put those in there as instructed in those videos. And something told me to just click on this because I'm always thorough like that. I like to just click on things and look through them and read them. And so when I noticed this, I said, okay, wow, okay. Put the description, whatever you want it, right? Make sure this is 5,000. Make sure this right here is checked. These 4 are checked. And this one is checked. And then you click on the generate the key portion. And then on the next screen, it's going to bring those keys up. See that? The API key and the private key. This is what you copy. This is what you copy. Paste it here, paste it there. Save. You're done. Once you've selected the exchange, the active trading, the person, the amount, and the person, then you go down there and click on save. So this is the part right here, though, that I wanted to highlight, this section right here. So make sure you pay attention to that. Make sure you like, subscribe, share this video. A lot of people are on to this platform right now, and a lot of the older videos are still floating around. So I just wanted to make sure I made sure that the people that I introduce, make sure you click on this, you read these instructions. I'm just reiterating it, that you make sure you click the proper boxes so the traders can, execute the trades smoothly with no problem. The moment I did it correct, the moment those trades start executing for me, I think it took maybe 2 or maybe 3 days of me screwing it up. Okay, so don't want to hold you guys up like that. Just want to record this video to give you guys the heads up on that. So make sure you read, make sure you apply it, and you should be up and running soon. Happy games, folks. Talk to y'all soon. Peace.